Hi friends, welcome to Kaliyona. Thank you for your interest to learn one of the most beautiful languages, Kannada. In this video, I would be giving you an overview of what all we would be covering as a part of Kaliyona course, Spoken Kannada for Beginners. This course is intended for anyone willing to learn Kannada. There is no restriction on the education qualification or the geography which you come from. If you're residing in Karnataka and want to be one among them, then this is the go-to course. Or it may be that you're traveling to Karnataka for a holiday for a few days or weeks and you want to get familiarized with the language, then this course serves your purpose. We have basically divided our complete course into small structured modules, which are just enough for you to get started to converse in Kannada. And all our lessons are based for conversational needs alone. And we do have quiz at the end of every module to reinforce the learning. And we need to make you all aware that we have taken some liberty in constructing the translated statements or words, which might not be grammatically correct, but mostly used in day-to-day lives, because we have kept the phase as beginner, somebody who is very new to Kannada. One of the major advantages of learning the language is you would feel more confident when you interact with people. And as an added value add, we would be providing you a course completion certificate when you successfully complete the course in our website kaliyona.com. People would love you more when you make an effort to speak regional language of the place. So please do make an effort to learn the language. This is the detailed course structure which we would be taking in next few videos or lessons. And again, just remember one thing, you are awesome because you are making an effort to learn a new language. Good luck with that. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and do inform all your other friends who are interested to learn Kannada about this particular course. Thank you again.